Hi guys, my name is Nandev. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create QR code in Python. You must have seen QR code on product which you buy. It shows details about product code, price, model number, etc. So let's jump to our editor and start coding part. Here I'm using Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. Click here, Python new file name. Just click here and rename QR code demo. Rename it. Now we are into the editor. But before going to start coding, make sure that required libraries are installed or not. So simply open your terminal or a command prompt. So required libraries are mostly here for the QR code generation. We require two libraries, QR code and Pillow. For the installation through the terminal or the command prompt, we need to use pip install QR code, pip install Pillow. So let's open terminal or command prompt. Here I am using Ubuntu operating system, so here I am using terminal. So just enter the command pip install QR code. Okay, I made a mistake. Pip install QR code. Okay, so requirement already satisfied. I have already installed on my system. If you are using first time this library and it is not installed on your system, simply you can follow the same command, but you must have to check whether your system is connected with the internet or not. Now required second library, pip install Pillow. This one is already installed on my system, so requirement is already satisfied. So here first command will use to create QR code generation, and the second command which is used to QR code image generation. So mostly somewhere you can see PIL in capital form, this one instead of Pillow. So this is a Python image library, PIL, Python image library. So now we have successfully installed required library. So before going to create a QR code in Python, we have to know about what is QR code, what is the use of QR code. So first time QR code is designed in 1994 for automotive industry in Japan. So QR code is a quick response code. QR code is used to store personal information like Wi-Fi password, your website URL, text message, YouTube channel URL, etc. Whatever information you want, you can store in QR code and generate your QR code. It is a two-dimensional pictographic code. So this is a little bit information about QR code. Now we'll start coding part and generate QR code. So let's go to the our editor. First import required library. So here already we have installed two libraries, and we need to use these libraries for this QR code generation. So import QR code. Just click to run. Okay, no issue. Again one more library I'm going to import from PIL, Python image library. Import image class, comma, image draw. image draw. Now click on run. Okay, no issue for a library importing, so already installed library. Now we need to create one variable to store information in your QR code. So I'm creating here QR equals to whatever information you want to store in your QR code, you just write down the information. So here I'm storing information in the QR code, my YouTube channel name, so DSL Tech Zone. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. So here you can store any information whatever you want. Now we need to create one object of image to store QR code image information. So here I'm going to create img equals to QR code dot make, and whatever the data you pass for the QR code, so QR, whatever the variable you have created. After that we have to save this image with any name. So for saving this image, so image object dot save, in double quotation whatever the name you want you can assign. Same name I am going to assign DSL Tech Zone dot png. Don't forget to assign extension to saving whatever the QR code which you are generating. Okay, so this is a little bit coding part for a simple QR code generation. Just click on run. Okay, there is no issue, so everything is clear from our side. Now check whether a QR code is generated or not. So if we see here, the QR code is generated with the name of DSL techzone.png. This is the two-dimensional pictographic code. Mostly here you can change the colors whatever you want. So by default color, background color is white, and whatever the pixels and all those data which is stored in the form of black dots. So here you can scan this QR code and see the whatever information which is stored in this QR code. We have done QR code generation from our side by using only the 5 lines of code. So now when we know that when we buy the product, so generally these are the popular examples. We mostly use QR code for payment, receiving or sending payment. So we are using Paytm QR code. The best example for Google Pay, Phone Pay QR code, Bhim app QR code. So generally we are using this application to buy product through these applications. This is regarding payment, but another best example for QR code in education system, you can create event QR code without creating posters and all for all the information regarding whatever your event which you are going to conduct. For a college website, you can create simple QR code and assign your college website link, so it will be helpful for easily reach out college website. Sometimes it is difficult to typing for the college website name and all, so this will be helpful. Now lastly, for a QR code storage purpose, so how much data can store QR code if we want to create a more attractive QR code. So simply see here how much data can store QR code. So generally numeric value maximum 7089 characters, alphanumerical value maximum number I have taken here 4296 character. If we see binary or byte value maximum 2553 characters. So this is all about QR code generation. Simply once again see the simple code here. In first two line we have imported required library. Third line we have created one variable which we want to create a QR code and store the information. Same here, we have created one object of image QR code dot make. We are passing that object value, the make function. And then last one, we are creating the image of our QR code, whatever the information we have stored, and this QR code will be generated. So this is a simple code for understanding how to create a simple code. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. My channel is DSL Tech Zone, and press on like button. Also you can visit my dsltechzone.blogspot.com for the latest update regarding new technologies, fun and this type of videos. Thank you.